Good morning internet. So today I've got the front engine guard for the Honda CB200X from Bandidospitstop. It took about a week to get to Mumbai, but now it's finally here, so let's go ahead, unbox it and install it. So this is what comes in the packaging, and let's go ahead and start setting it up. Hey guys, so assembling the front crash guard proved to be a little more difficult than I expected. It's definitely a two-person job and you need to have the right tools along with you to set it up. So I'll just show you what you need to do. Step 2 is to remove the number plate holder, which you'll see over here. Once you remove the number plate holder, you can install the one given. Next, you need to bolt on your number plate back in this place over here and bolt on these two front rods first. Once you do that, you can set up this end over here. Don't tighten everything just yet, keep them a little loose, because once you're done with that, you need to connect this top rod between from one side right till the other side.